So I'm pulling out my hair right now, and I can already feel how dry it is right now. Oh my gosh, especially here, these parts and the ends right here, it is super dry. So I'm super glad that I'm doing this right now, because my hair is really in need of some oil, moisture, and some TLC. You feel me? So I'm basically just gonna pull my hair out right now, and I'm gonna separate it in two, and once I start doing the oil treatment, I'm going to then do it in four. So on this side, I'm going to just do half, and then the other side half and half. So just bear with me, and I'm just going to show you guys a before and after of how my hair is and how it will look, because I've had this braid in for about a week, but before that my hair was not at all that well combed, I guess. So my hair is really in need of some tender loving and care. It's half of my hair. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's supposed to be half of my hair. And this is how it is. If I give you like a little length check of it right now, this is where it is. In this part, this is where it is. I don't know if you can see. And it's at my lip. So yeah, I'm gonna pull out the next side of my hair. Ooh! I'm gonna pull out the next side of my hair, and then I'm going to prep for my oil treatment. So I'll definitely bring you guys along so you could see. So yeah. So what I did was put the oil in a dispenser, and what I'm going to do is apply the oil to the ends of my ear, because that is the oldest and probably will be the most damaged. And then I'm going to put some at my roots, massage it in, and work my way to the shafts of my hair. You want to try to get this oil everywhere on like every piece of hair to make sure every part of your hair is oiled and moisturized. And because I do have dry scalp, I do focus it a lot on my scalp first and then work my way towards my ends. And basically I just do that and kind of just finger detangle my hair and work it into my hair. And I do this throughout my hair. I definitely do section it off so it's easier, and that makes sure all the oil gets where it needs to go. And basically I do that for all of my hair. As you can see, you can definitely tell the difference between the part that I'm doing now, how it really is looking moisturized and shiny, whereas the other side that is not yet done is pretty dry and rough, like for real. But after I've done that, I've washed my hair and washed it out and everything, and basically that is how my hair is. It's pretty soft, bouncy, and you can definitely see the oil that it's moisturized. And I'm definitely gonna do this probably maybe once a month or so, but you can definitely see that it is moisturized. All I need to do now is just to clip the ends of my ear, and that will be it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs this video up, as well as turn on your post notification for my channel so you can get notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.